Hi there, hope you're doing well. So we are continuing with our previous tutorial on HourOne. So I'm going to show you the other features that HourOne has that you can use to better your video in order for it to look more professional and also tailored to your taste. So in the previous video, we talked about choosing a presenter and also making the scripts. So here we are going to learn about changing the voices or editing the voices. So here you can choose whatever accent you want. So here is the English of US. So you can choose here or you can select the language that you want. Let me type, for example, Portuguese. So you can see here already that they are like Portuguese languages and accents that are there. So this will be the accent of Francie, Loop N, Isa M. So you just select whatever one that you would want, right? But since we have edited our previous video in English, we are just going to leave it at that. So you can search whatever language that you would want. Let me search as well Spanish. So you can see here, there is already Spanish voices that are there that you can use, and you can have your broadcast in Spanish. So this is how you can change the voices using HourOne. And you can as well change the scene. So let's say, for example, this is the layout that we have. And here you can edit and change the scene. So there are images and videos that you can select from. So you can come here, replace media. So you can change this background and put a new background. Or you can generate media here and change the background that is there. And for example, the style for now, we are having these colors as the style of our video. So you can change and select whatever color that suits your brand or whatever color that suits your expectations or that you think your video will most likely look better in. So when you select, it's gonna load, making sure that it's changing everything or it's implementing the changes that you've made. And when it's done, it's going to show you the final result like this. So this is the combination of the colors that it has changed to. In the beginning, we were using this combination, and now we are using this combination, and it absolutely looks beautiful. So this is how you can change the style. And there are so many styles here, and everything can be tailored according to your needs. So you can do that. And you can also add a palette by your own. So you don't need to rely on all these palettes that have already been made for you. You can create as well your own palette that best suits your company or your branding. And after that, you can as well come to branding. So you can add your logo. So for example, since we are doing this video with a news template, so you would want to put maybe CNN News. You can put your logo as well to appear in the video. You can add as well your intro. So your intro video, you can add it in the beginning and it will show. And you can add as well your outro. So this is how you can brand your video to make it look more professional. And here you can add as well music. So these are the music that you have here, and you can select any song that best suits the video that you are editing, and it will make your video to look very, very nice. So this is how you can literally make a very appealing video using HourOne. And so these are the features that I have decided to explore with you guys. And I hope you've learned something in this video. And as always, keep tuned as I'll keep on bringing more videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.